what is the most rarest one? Tell me what is the rarest one. This one.
Oo, ano may agresibo pag nag-answer me. Ah, si Mami yun?
Kani nga
Oo, may daw si Mami. Ha? O, kana, mo na suka. Sinamakan mo
Tell me
ka na.
what is the rarest one, okay?
Sige, ano ang big? Ito.
Tell me what is the rarest
What number is this?
87.
Diba, ito.
79.
Oh, ano ang big? 8, 7. Where is
What
big?
is this?
8
This is
or
rare. No, I
7?
don't know this.
Ang big?
I think it's that rare.
8. So, saan ang ano?
Oh, tama man dai ko oh.
Gani! Okay, so ano pa ang assignment?
Dai
Na?
yung kanina dai.
JMRC mo na. Drawing niya si...
Ayun na.
Wait.
Ayun man na dai ko na.
This is rare, right? I think it's that rare. So, let's go continue guys with our Pokemon cards.
Apa man dai?
So this
Kanya ah.
deck, so
Na ah.
that's so
Uy.
got doubles. Sorry.
Ako rin nag-asira. Ako din si Daddy.
The fish. Here. Where is the boss? Okay. One. 2, 3. Yep, this is 3. You can see the name. See the name. Because I see the name, right? See the name. How many the fish can fish? Another fish. Fish. Why so many fish? And I know what is the big one. This is big one because more lighter. This is not the fake. This is a small one. Watch what is the difference. What is the lighter? It's this. So this is fake. This is real.
Na sa an
This is a fake fish.
bo.
Why we have so? But we have so many real here.
Saan taong lobo?
Real.
Na sa an
Real. There's more here, but we'll show you the later is
Mulak-lak.
real or fake. Yeah, I will show you later.
Bobo.
We just continue this.
Sa
Tell me this is real. I just wanted the YouTube shop.
sa ayam di ay.
Let's take it. Yeah, I'll show you. This one. Okay, this is. Then this. 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 Okay, we have more. Okay. So, so guys, there is calculators. Fix and really have here. So this, this, this,
Okay.
this.
Takdang aralin daw. Basahin ang maikling kwento at sagutan ang tanong. Saan ang kwento nito? May kwento? Saan ang kwento? Wala lagi kwento.
Guys,
Okay. Lola, lola,
Mom
may
is there,
lobo
so-
sa kubo. Ito,
okay, so
kwento.
this is
Sabi
what it is.
ni ang sagot sa kanya. Sulat ang tamang sagot sa linya. Ito ang kwento, anak ko. Basahin ko ang kwento, anak, ha? Lola, Lola. Uy, makinig ka. Uy. Lola, Lola, may lobo sa kubo. Aha daw ang lobo? Nasa? Iisa ang lobo sa kubo.
Puno.
Sabi ni
Puno.
Lino.
No.
Kay Lito ang lobo.
Tell me this is rare or not. I don't know what this is rare. No, I don't know.
Again.
Yes, sir, guys, I don't know. So, later. So,
Lola,
Ano
Lola.
nga dito?
okay, so we have another one. We got this.
So,
This is 3 stars. Even this is so golden. Get the 3 stars. Sorry guys, this is not clear. The stars like here gonna clear. So guys, we got clear. So
asol at.
gonna clear.
Ano mo na asol?
This is clear to me. This is a 3 stars. Sorry guys, it's not clear. So I need to better camera. Okay guys, it's not clear. The last one. Yes, tell me guys, this is rare because here's a rainbow here. You see that? Rainbow. So guys, now,
Ano yung isulat?
Fake
Hindi dahil
and true.
isulat.
okay?
Tapos,
Now, we got, this is 2. 2. So we'll put it here.
ano yung mata?
1, 2. Okay, 2. 2.
Malaki.
4. 5. 5.
Ano yung
Seven.
malaki?
8. 8. Got fake. That one fake. 8. The real is 8, okay? Sabi, back, okay?
Ano daw ang lobo? Mataki? Ano yung mataki?
Ang mata ba?
Hindi na mataki. Malaki. Hindi na ti. Lana la. Malaki ang lobo.
I mean 9.
Okay. Sabi ni
Ten.
Lino.
11.
Sabi ni Lino. Lola, Lola. May lobo sa kubo. Iisa ang lobo sa kubo. Hala. Sabi ni
Chu,
Lino.
chu, 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 chu.
Kay Lito, ang lobo.
Chu.
Asulat. Asol at malaki mataki. Asulat mataki no.
15.
Ano ba ng mataki?
16. 17.
Uy, dili na ti.
Guys,
Malaki
this is
man na,
fake.
ti na.
This is real.
Meron pa lang
Tell me what's the
mataki.
difference.
Ano yung mataki?
See? It's different.
Malaki gani na. Nasaan daw ang lobo?
This
Saan
is
daw
the
ang
real
lobo?
one.
Nasa?
This is fake. So, 3.
Basaha o.
wait.
Basaha, ayusin pagbasa. Dito, basaha o dito.
14. 15. 16. 17. 18.
Kubo.
2.
Nasaan daw ang lobo? Nasa? Okay, nasa?
19.
Read.
20.
Iisa ang lobo.
20, yeah? 20. I showed it to you, right? 20.
Ilan daw ang lobo? Ilan ang lobo?
20.
Ilan ang lobo?
19. And we got another fake. Tell me what's the difference. See? More right there?
Ilan ang
This is
lobo?
one. 3. No.
Dito sa basa, ilan?
Right?
Yan o.
Aga.
Isa ang
Isa ang
lobo.
1,
Ilan ang lobo?
2,
isa.
Ano ang kulay ng lobo?
fake.
Asul.
Aso.
Ayan o, asul o, asul o, asul. Ito, malayo ito dapat. Asul at malaki.
We did 2, 3,
Nadikit mo.
we did 4, fake,
Dapat dito yan o.
4, another fake,
Isulat mo at dito. Ayan.
25, 26,
Ano ang kulay ng lobo?
28, 89, 30.
Asul.
Asol.
Again.
Ano ang kulay ng lobo? Asul. Okay, so asul.
31. No, fake. 32. Fake.
Hindi, magsagot ka na. Magsagot ka na. Nasaan? Dito.
32, 33,
Nasaan ang
34, 35. I don't know.
Saan ang
2,
lobo?
35, 5,
Hello, tay.
35, 35.
Okay, nay. Naman to, nay? Agoy, nabili na 1 million to? Na.
Okay, wait guys. 35. Okay. 35. We got drill.
Ala, niya nakasulod. Ramo diha.
36.
Sige. Ako nga tuon.
31.
Ako nga tuon dito sa kuhan. Ako nga tuon dito sulod.
32.
Sige na.
35. 36.
Ay, iwan na kanyang bag. Sige, saan daw ang lobo? Nasa?
36.
sa puno.
Ano? Saan ang
7.
puno? Nasaan ang lobo?
37. 38.
Usaha diri oh.
39. 38.
Ano na?
Pick.
O, ano yan?
Pick.
Oh, nasaan ang lobo? Nasa?
Bobo.
Sulat mo, kubo dito.
39. 40.
Ah.
Fake.
Makayos ka magsulat.
41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 6. Fake. 7. 48. Fake. 8. 49. 9. Okay, we have 49 real. Now let's go count the fake. How many the fake? Got 39. 39 real. I got so many real. I got 39. How
Oh,
how many
kubo.
real
Yun
you
na.
have? I think you have so many.
Oh,
Because,
hindi sa na. May labot na. Dapat
Ano na?
distance na.
okay, let's go count it.
Ano, nagidikit ni mo na dapat. Ano na. Next.
I did it.
Nawala lang yung isa ka fish na matay. Yung ano na fish, yung...
Color, purple,
Hindi, yung ano,
or black,
amphibian.
kanang ano,
Ay, yung panahon na tamo.
Okay, we have 29 fakes.
sa,
So guys, tell me in the comments how many fakes you have and how many real you have. So,
Gawas ko na.
so guys,
biglawas,
see you all. This is my only Pokemon cards. So see ya guys.
Oh, sige na, kaya mag-ano pa.
Bye. See ya. Choo choo choo.